This is good.
The new iPad Air starts with a gorgeous design. The all-new thin inline enclosure and narrow border design features a beautiful all-screen display. Each element of iPad Air is meticulously crafted, from the precisely machined top button to the sculpted detail around the camera. And the new iPad Air design comes in 5 gorgeous colors, including a new rose gold, green, and sky blue finish. Our customers are going to love these colors. And this new design features a stunning liquid retina display. In the same footprint as the previous Air, the new iPad Air features a larger 10.9-inch liquid retina display with a resolution of 2360 by 1640. That's over 3.8 million pixels for extra crisp text and photos. And it has advanced display technologies like full lamination, wide color, true tone, and an anti-reflective coating that combined deliver an amazing visual experience. To give our customers this beautiful all-screen design meant finding a new home for one of the most popular features, Touch ID. So we designed a next-generation Touch ID and integrated it right into the top button. This provides convenient and secure authentication while allowing the display to extend on all sides. This is the smallest authentication sensor we have ever designed, and it delivers the same performance, ease of use, and security you know and trust from Touch ID. The technology under the button is really amazing. It uses a sapphire crystal lens and next-generation custom sensor that more efficiently captures the details of a fingerprint. And it uses a faster secure enclave to more quickly authenticate the fingerprint data. And using it is as simple as ever. Just touch the top button to unlock your iPad, log into apps, or use Apple Pay. It's fast, easy, and secure. Another reason customers love iPad Air is its performance. So we're debuting an incredibly powerful new chip, which is going to give the new Air a huge leap in performance. To tell you more, here's Tim Wale.
I'm super excited to tell you about the powerful new chip we've built into the new iPad Air, our latest A-series processor, A14 Bionic. Our goal is to build chips with industry-leading performance, powerful custom technologies, and extremely efficient use of energy to make every one of our products best in class. One way we do this is by aggressively adopting cutting-edge silicon process technology year after year. And now with A14, we'll be the first in the industry to use the breakthrough 5-nanometer process technology. The incredibly small scale of this process challenges the laws of physics. In fact, we're talking about a scale so small that the dimensions of these 5-nanometer transistors are measured in atoms. This means we were able to pack 11.8 billion transistors into A14. That's an increase of nearly 40% over our 7-nanometer chip. We use these additional transistors to deliver new features, increased power efficiency, and increased performance in nearly every aspect of the chip. A14 Bionic includes a big update to our CPU. Our architecture runs more instructions in parallel, resulting in great performance at lower power. And it integrates large, high-performance caches sized to meet the needs of the most demanding applications. For A14's powerful new 6-core design, this results in an enormous 40% increase in CPU performance compared to the previous iPad Air. A14 also features our newest GPU architecture, scaled to deliver the maximum sustainable performance at the lowest possible power. An approach that also allows us to deliver industry-leading peak performance when it's needed most. For A14, our new 4-core design delivers a 30% increase in graphics performance as well. Now, when you compare the new iPad Air with A14 to the best-selling laptop in its price range, a device nearly 3 times thicker and 4 times heavier, the new iPad Air has up to 2 times faster graphics performance in its incredibly thin and light design. So for customers using iPad Air for performance-intensive apps like editing 4K videos, creating works of art, or playing immersive games, the incredible performance of A14 can handle them all with ease. In addition to the blazing fast CPU and GPU, A14 is loaded with custom technologies that drive the unique iPad experience, like a much faster neural engine, which will make iPad Air more powerful for machine learning. By doubling the number of cores to build a 16-core architecture, the neural engine in A14 is capable of executing an amazing 11 trillion operations per second. This increases ML performance by up to 2 times over the previous generation. In addition, our CPU is further optimized with second-generation machine learning accelerators, which come to iPad for the first time and accelerate the matrix multiplication frequently used in ML computations at up to 10 times faster than the previous Air. Now, the combination of the new neural engine, the CPU ML accelerators, and our high-performance GPU deliver breakthrough machine learning capabilities to elevate apps built on Core ML to an entirely new level of performance. So that's the new A14 Bionic. It delivers big performance updates for the CPU and GPU, makes iPad Air much more powerful for machine learning, and also features the latest ISP for higher quality videos and photos, and even faster Secure Enclave for Touch ID. This is by far the most advanced chip we've ever made, and we're thrilled to bring it to the new iPad Air. Now back to you, Laura.
Wow, the A14 is a huge leap forward in performance. And we've worked with a number of developers to see what they can do with the new iPad Air. So let's take a look.
I'm Kareem Morsi. I'm a developer of DJ Pro AI.
DJ Pro AI is an app that brings all the tools of a professional DJ to iPad.
The A14 Bionic allows us to build intelligent features into the app. You touch the record and then you start scratching it. You can actually scratch in the air. It just blows our mind that this is possible now.
Hi, I'm Alexi from Pixonic, developer of the game War Robots. The A14 Bionic chip allows us to deliver console-level graphics on a device you can hold in your hands. It's quite amazing to have real-time 6 versus 6 multiplayer game running on iPad at 60 frames per second. For example, the textures are much more detailed, the shadows are dynamic, and reflections are more realistic. It looks amazing.
I'm Andreas, and we're from Pixelmator. Pixelmator Photo is a photo editing app for enhancing photos. So I think everyone's seen the movies where somebody would point at a screen and go, okay, zoom in on that. Now, enhance. And now we brought that to iPad. The Apple Neural Engine allows us to build functionality we never thought possible. The ML Super Resolution finds individual details, edges, colors, gradients, textures, and it combines it back in an image.
Now we can build intelligent features into the app. The possibilities are just endless with this.
With the A14 chip, the new Air is going to bring incredible performance to customers looking to step up to a more powerful iPad. And there's more. Another great feature we're bringing to iPad Air is USB-C. USB-C increases data transfer speeds up to 5 gigabits per second. That's a 10-fold jump in performance over the previous Air. It provides a fast connection to a host of external devices, like cameras, drives, and external monitors up to 4K. The new Air also includes great cameras front and back. The front 7-megapixel FaceTime HD camera supports Smart HDR, improved 1080p video capture, and better low-light performance for really high-quality video calls. And on the back is the same 12-megapixel camera used in the iPad Pro, with focus pixels and a larger aperture to capture incredibly sharp photos and stunning 4K video, enhanced with improved video stabilization. So the photos and videos our customers take with the new Air are going to look better than ever. And to elevate the audio experience, we've redesigned the speaker system, providing stereo audio in landscape mode. Great for kicking back and enjoying your favorite movies and TV shows. The new Air also works with our amazing accessories, including Apple Pencil, which attaches magnetically to the side for pairing, charging, and storage, and the beautiful Magic Keyboard with floating design and built-in trackpad. So this is the new iPad Air, featuring a 10.9-inch Liquid Retina display, next-generation Touch ID, a huge boost in performance with A14 Bionic, USB-C, advanced cameras, Wi-Fi 6, and LTE that's 60% faster. This is by far the most powerful iPad Air ever. Let's check it out.